Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Tusket is a small community located in Yarmouth County, Nova Scotia, about 20 kilometers northeast of the town of Yarmouth. Situated along the Tusket River, the community has a long history connected to Acadian settlement, fishing, agriculture, and trade. Today, Tusket serves as a local service centre for surrounding rural communities and remains an important part of southwestern Nova Scotia. The population of Tusket is relatively small, with several hundred residents living within the community itself and additional residents in nearby areas. The village is known for its quiet atmosphere, strong community ties, and location along one of the most significant rivers in southwestern Nova Scotia. The surrounding landscape includes forests, farmland, wetlands, and waterways that have supported local residents for generations. The history of Tusket dates back to the early days of European settlement in Nova Scotia. Acadian families settled in the region during the early 1700s, attracted by fertile land and access to the river and coastline. The community's name is believed to have indigenous origins, reflecting the long presence of Mi'kmaq people in the area before European settlement. Like many Acadian communities in Nova Scotia, the region was affected by the expulsion of the Acadians during the mid-18th century. Many families were displaced, but over time, Acadian residents returned and rebuilt their communities. Their descendants continue to contribute to the culture and identity of the region today. The Tusket River has played a central role in the community's development. Historically, the river was used for transportation, fishing, and the movement of timber. During the 19th century, the surrounding forests supported a thriving lumber industry, and sawmills operated throughout the area. The river also helped connect inland communities with coastal ports and trading centers. Agriculture continues to play a role in the local economy. Farms in the surrounding area produce a variety of crops and livestock, contributing to both local food production and the regional economy. Forestry and wood-related industries also remain important sources of employment for some residents. One of the best-known events associated with Tusket is the annual Tusket Fall Fair. Established in the late 19th century, the fair has become a long-standing tradition that celebrates agriculture, rural life, and community spirit. The event attracts visitors from across the region and highlights the area's agricultural heritage. Housing in Tusket is generally more affordable than in larger urban centers across Canada. Average home prices in the area are often found in the range of approximately $275,000 to $380,000, although prices vary depending on location, property size, and condition. Larger rural properties and waterfront homes may command higher prices. Education, healthcare, and community services are available both within Tusket and in nearby Yarmouth. Residents benefit from access to schools, medical facilities, recreation centers, libraries, and local organizations that help support daily life. These services contribute to the area's reputation as a desirable place for families and retirees seeking a rural lifestyle. Today, Tusket remains a community shaped by its Acadian heritage, natural environment, and strong connection to the Tusket River. Its history of farming, forestry, fishing, and community involvement continues to influence life in the area. While modest in size, Tusket plays an important role in preserving the culture and traditions that have defined southwestern Nova Scotia for centuries. Thanks for watching!